All right, ladies and gents. So, yesterday we talked about when we make observations, they need to be factual. And we also talked about quantitative observations mean it has a number in it, it's more specific, like it's 2 inches. Qualitative is when you're using your five senses and it does not incorporate using our five senses. So, what I want you to do, you could either take out a separate sheet of paper and write down your answers, or you can just in your head say qualitative or quantitative. Then I'm going to post the answers at the end. So if you're doing paper, please number it 1 through 10. Card number 1, please classify it as either qualitative or quantitative. I will go over the answers at the end. Jack went outside after lunch and noticed it was cold. The fact it's cold, is that a qualitative or quantitative observation? Number 2, the kitchen smells like vanilla. It's a wonderful scent. Is it qualitative or quantitative? Number 3, the ladybug is 15 centimeters long. That's very detailed. It can definitely be proven. Is that qualitative or quantitative? Number 4, it is 92 degrees Fahrenheit outside. Very specific. Instead of just saying it's hot, you can't prove hot, but you can prove 92 degrees by using a thermometer. Is that qualitative or quantitative? Number 5, the lettuce is bitter. Wonderful use of the five sense of taste. Qualitative or quantitative? Number 6, the book weighs 1 pound. Even if you don't know if the book weighs 1 pound, you can prove it by weighing it. Is that qualitative or quantitative? Number 7, it rained 2 inches yesterday. You can prove it. 2 inches, qualitative or quantitative? Number 8, the grass is wet in the morning. So when you felt it, okay, using that touch sense, is that qualitative or quantitative? It's not an opinion. You can prove it's wet. Qualitative or quantitative? So when I read these, if I read them too fast, or if there's some that you need to go back and pause and check your answers, then go ahead, pause the video and go back to the cards you've not finished. I know I said previously it was 1 through 10. My bad, it's just 1 through 8. And now what I'm going to do is post the answers for you to self-check. So this is practice, but eventually you'll have to know if an observation is qualitative or quantitative. Number 1, qualitative. 2, qualitative. 3, quantitative. 4, quantitative. 5, qualitative. 6, quantitative. 7, quantitative. And 8, qualitative. So whenever you saw numbers, 1 pound, 2 centimeters, you might say, Mrs. Krieger, I don't know. I'm not actually measuring it. But in science, it can be proven. They're more detailed observations. You can prove it by using some science tools such as a ruler or a scale. So hopefully you guys are getting the hang of this, and we'll catch up.